Alright. Hello guys. We have a person. What's your name?
Hello guys,
What's your name?
like and sub. My name is Liam. Or since you're watching on YouTube, if you want to find me on YouTube, my YouTube channel is LNS3913.
If you wanna friend me and this guy, the code will always be
Call me Liam.
1Q1S or QUAK. I love ducks.
Call me Liam.
So,
Please call me Liam. Please call me Liam.
so this is Liam. We're gonna
Yeah.
go on an adventure. You,
What are we
where do you
doing
wanna
today,
go
boss?
explore?
What are we doing today, boss?
So I'm broke.
Yeah, so am I.
I
So
only
am
have 8K. Hold up, let me see. I'm gonna put my camera there and I'm gonna check.
I only have
Stay there.
31.
Hold up, stay there. Hold up, let me see. Move your watch here, where the camera is. Alright, my hands are shaky. You have 31 nuts and 2 research points. That's sad.
And
So we're gonna go
200
mining.
golden. Okay, down where? Where?
Where do you wanna go?
Let's go to sewers.
No, I can buy you a pickaxe. We're good. This is
Oh.
better.
Thank you.
Flashlight or glow stick? Which one?
And we can attack with
Flashlight.
these.
Glow
One
stick
sec, I
can fly
can buy my
and
own
it's better than
flashlight.
flashlight. Oh,
I can't
Alright.
even buy my own flashlight. Can I have a
but
flashlight?
here.
Any
Wait,
okay.
do you have hip slot?
What is that?
Like you can put stuff here.
On the sides? No. I'll just hold it. Okay, now
No,
how
I
about
got
you
you,
put it
don't
on your
worry.
side?
Here.
You put it on your side.
Just hold this. Just hold this.
Come here.
Hold that.
We're sorry
And
for the delay, guys. We just
glow
didn't have
stick.
anything ready. Because I accidentally left the previous code we were just in.
Yeah. But he
Yeah.
joined first, so he can kick me, which is really scary. But he won't
Why?
do that.
Why would I kick you? No damaging each other, cause that's not good.
Yo, how am I gonna hold? You know what? Forget about the hook shots.
Hook shot.
Oh my. Yeah, I have hook shots in my stash. Bro, I can hear my phone as I'm recording. Bro, my hands are so shaky. Look.
Are you live streaming?
No, I'm not live streaming. I'm just recording a video. I don't even know how to live stream.
I do. Not in VR though.
Man, I only do videos on YouTube.
Yeah, same.
Alright. We're going, guys. Come here. What up? Let me just...
Bring the camera, bro. You have to bring this camera.
Yeah, of course. Also, this camera weighs absolutely nothing.
It weighs nothing?
Yeah. Now you're gonna want to turn on your flashlight. Because the spots we get are dark.
Isn't that why you have your big glow stick?
How do we beat this? How are we gonna beat this? Be careful of the turkeys. Do not turn off your light with these turkeys. You're gonna wanna kill them. Whoa, this is different. Yo, smash that box. Trash. Oh my god! He's dancing! He's dancing! No, that's gonna kill us more. Cause the monsters could see us from far away. Like Armstrong.
Oh, golden monkey.
Could be useful. But how are we gonna get back up? Move, you turkey! Come here! Die! Come here! You're so goddamn annoying. Come here. Oh crap, he's going to red light, green light.
No, he's not. Oh.
I'm going to kill you. Shut up.
Kill him. Yo,
let's try and go over. Oh, it's completely blocked. Come here.
Keep on mining.
It's completely blocked. Alright.
We can get some more monies.
This is a bad idea, because then how are we going to get up?
We'll have to
Shut
beat
up.
it.
I will whip your vocal cord. Die. Got you. You. Die. Come here.
Dude, is this our chat?
Watch out. Kill him.
I'll let you kill him.
Got him. Ooh. Could help. Ow! Alright. Let's go
Oh.
to the second part.
Well,
Do
okay.
not touch.
But look
Do
at
not
all
touch
those
that guy's
valuable-
tentacles.
No, look at. I know.
Do
I
not
know.
touch
I know.
that
I
guy's
played this. I
tentacles.
played these game. I played this game before. But
Oh.
dude, like, look how much good loot is on the floor over here.
Oh, there's a
gold
banana.
bar.
Let's
gold
run.
bars. We have a shotgun. We have a shotgun.
Yo, I'm gonna put that on my hip so I put it there just.
Yeah, we're gonna want that for later. Kill this stupid chicken.
Bro, they
Die,
respawn
stupid.
with the power of friendship. Come here.
Yeah.
Stupid.
And
Ow.
hatred. My bad. Here,
No, you're good.
there's turkey on
Do
the
not
ground
touch-
over there.
Oh, you already know. Do not touch that guy's tentacles. Have you ever heard of Squid Game?
Yeah. Yeah,
Alright, so this
I've
guy
played
called-
this game. I played this game before. I played this game like all day, every day.
Alright, so tell me the monsters' names.
Red light, green light.
And tell me their
whatever.
abilities.
Eyeball man is the eyeball man. Little
That's this.
gangsta.
That's this.
Bomb bombs. The bomb twins.
Bro
I
has
don't know
been watching
all the
object
names, I
shows
just know that
24/7.
Can be deadly.
Don't move, don't move, don't move. Alright, go, go,
He
go.
can't see you up there. Tell me what he's about. Oh. Okay, move. Just move. Kill him. You shockwave him. Go. Back up. Don't use that on him.
Don't move, don't move. I'm so shaky.
Same. Why'd you use our shotgun shells?
Stop.
Did this
Die!
thing ever die?
You know what, let's just accept our fate. Yeah.
Yeah, that scared me. Goodbye, I'm gonna go back home.
Alright, we're back. I had to disconnect and reconnect the camera, so yeah. Hey bro, you're gonna wanna die and come back up here, and just you wanna try and defeat the only up, you can get a free cosmetic. Hold up, did he leave? Oh, he didn't, okay.
I'm here.
Alright.
I'm here.
Friend me. So if your headset dies, you can just charge it and join back. Alright, you see that TV?
I have a battery pack on my VR.
Oh, you see that TV?
Yep.
Alright guys, now that we're here. Alright. I was gonna scare you, but no. Ah! Ah! Oh my god, we already failed. What failed?
Why? What's wrong?
Ah,
What
ah,
happens
ah,
if we
ah! Oh my! This is only up basically. You timed it when you get to the.
Okay, so
This
wait.
is this is like only up of levels. Oh my god! Hold up, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back real fast.
Hey, gorilla.
I am back. I'm back.
So this is,
I'm back. Wait up.
dude, look how far up I am.
I went to a second level with just my hands before. I even posted it on YouTube.
Cool.
Also subscribe to me or else me and Black will munch off your toes. And we'll call you Big Booty Baby.
And I will touch your toes, and I will tickle your toes, and I will be in your bedroom tonight and tickle your toes.
Yeah. We're all about toes and
I will
roaches.
continuously tickle your toes.
Roger,
Now
can you
read it.
stop smelling my toes? I'm not joking, my cat's smelling my toes. Get up! Okay, she stopped. Bro, I will kick you! Stop it! Bro, they're greasy! Stop it! Caw. Come up here. Black. What am I on? Up here, on this cabin.
I never even noticed the
You're gonna wanna go on here. You're gonna wanna go on here. Ah, crap. No! My remote!
Oh, I almost.
My remote!
Oh, no!
Where's my...
Dude, you
Oh, there's my remote.
frick your remote. I fell.
Hey, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back.
I fell. I fell. Boing.
I also fell. Wait
I
up!
fell.
Call! I'll crack.
Dude, I fell again. Oh my god.
Don't worry, just go inside the cabin. Go inside the cabin.
I'm in.
Alright. Pitch climb this. Bro, it's so hard pitch climbing within that object. Bro, I know how to
That's
bring my
really
camera. I just gotta disconnect from the app and then reconnect. And boom. But for some reason I cannot record in public lobbies. Like it's
Why?
weird. Oh no, someone else did it. I guess I need to be trusted. Fudge! Call! Alright, climb up here.
Dude, I am still climbing.
Listen! Hold up, Black, wait! Yeah, bro. You're gonna have to teach me the ways. Oh. Hello? Ah!
Fridge.
Fridge?
Fridge?
Oh crap! Oh, my camera's back.
Fridge-o-tron.
Fudge crackers. Fudge crackers, my... Hey. My controller keeps on getting out of my hands. I just think I have the MetaQuest, not the MetaQuest 3 yet. Huh? Oh! Hello! I can see it. Anyway. Hold up, wait up for me, alright? Hey. Dude,
Yes, there's a fan above me.
I can hear you.
Here, I came closer. Bro, I'm right here. No, dude.
What?
Come the hard way. It's funner. You know what? Fine. Just take the fan.
Alright.
We'll
But
take
what's
the
the
fan.
hard way? What's the hard way? I want to see the hard way.
The way
Actually,
I
no.
was just at. Let's go.
Hold up.
Never
Wait.
mind. Take the fan. Take the fan. Yeah, take the fan.
I thought you meant let's go like, oh.
Take the fan.
Cacao! Bro, that fan's calling me obese. That's crazy.
Okay, can I do it this one? I'm doing this. I'm doing it.
You're gonna need to fling off the wall.
Okay, get rid of the hit wall. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to, like... You're gonna want to go to that cloud because there's a hidden fan.
Where?
Come here. Over here. I'm using my camera mostly for this. Gato, stop peeing on my phone! Oh, he didn't. He's just smelling my phone. Stop smelling my phone! There's electrolyte! Oh.
Oh, God.
Get your butt away from my phone, Gato! I swear to God. Oh, no! Yeah, we're gonna wait. Let's do some dances. Get it down! Hold up. Oh yeah, I forgot if I move in the game, I can't move. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hold up, Larry. Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up!
Dude, wait for me.
Yeah, bro, I hear you.
I may or may not have fallen.
I saw you fall.
Hey, where are you?
Over here. There's a hidden fan. Bro, look, this thing's weightless. Look. Look. But how does the
Oh.
weird glow stick just fly and it has weight? Yeah, we're gonna have to do the same technique.
No, I missed it.
Bro, this is so hard.
Really?
Let's go back. Let's go back. I defeated this with like box fans. Recording a video with my friend. Only up second level, but I'm going back to like spawn. Guys, always give up no matter what. I'm joking. Jordan? Hold up, my brother joined. Jordan, talk in your mic. I can hear you. Yo, where's Black? Come here. Why do you have two flashlights? It's a flashlight backpack. It's OG. Has OG. What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? OG. Oh no. OG. OG. I want to play on the iPad though. No, the iPad is OG. You can't. If you sell it, you cannot get it anymore. It's OG. You can't buy it. Say hi. Hi. Daniel. Yeah. Guess what? Chicken butt. Somebody had that thing, but they didn't own that. They didn't own the camera. They weren't a modder, but they had the camera. I don't know how. I don't want to be stinky. Wait. Why is the light always on? Because it's a flashlight backpack. Yeah, but when it's the OG times, and yeah, but I went back to the very start, and I went to the stump tree. Yo, just hold up. I'm gonna come back and show you how you leave. Bro, he's back. This is my brother. This is my brother. He joins me no matter what. If I'm recording, he joins me. If I tell him to join, he doesn't join. I don't want to be stinky. And he's being stinky. No, nobody's being stinky. You know. Wait, show him. And now I'm stinky. Guys, we're gonna go tell you how to die. So if you see one of these things, you're always gonna want to touch it.
Wait. Okay, here, I'll rescue you, I'll revive you.
No, because then I'll be stinky. No.
My camera. Yoink.
I didn't flip it off. Where are you? Dude, you left so fast. You left so fast.
How did I leave? I just went like this. Put up.
Yeah.
Ow!
Take me! Dude!
I'm good.
My camera net! What?
Look, guys, why are y'all upside down? Alright.
Do you just want to go like...
Bro,
here,
I
won't touch you, You know what? Since I became stinky.
Oh my god.
Did you just hump my body?
I swear. You know the little grinder thing? No, I'm not gonna die in it. I'm just like inside of the yellow machine. Yeah, bro, you know the yellow thing? I'm in it. Look! Yellow lights! You see me? You see me?
Thing in front of me? Oh!
Do you see me?
How do you get in? Yeah.
I just accidentally got in. Jordan had to go to the bathroom. Jordan,
Okay, here, I'll follow you.
Jordan, I'm near the shredder thing.
What shredder thing?
No, you cannot. I didn't. It's only in the game, not in real life. I didn't put on mic, so I am gonna post.
Bro, look. Oh
Okay.
my gosh.
What's that gonna be? Like 20 minutes.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Hi,
the bathroom. Oh, bathroom.
Hey guys, wanna see me drink water from the lake? Look.
Scammer get scammed.
Look,
Yeah, bro, I have another one, you know. Oh.
I'm in the water. Did
Thank
you
you
know
for
you
your
can
effort.
swim in the water now? You can swim in the water, guys.
No, you can't.
Yes, you can. Look, I'm doing it right now. Come here. Come here. Look, let me show you. Just watch.
No, you can't. Okay, so go
Look.
over there.
No, look.
So go
Look.
over there. Then go over there.
No, this water spot is more warm and comfy. If you just go down more,
Wait,
there's like a secret bunker. I heard there's a secret bunker in there. I just heard. Hi, Jordan.
Okay, let's test it. You go.
Why me? I have the camera.
Just go.
But you're gonna have to die for it.
Oh! Revive me!
Jordan, you're cooked.
I
You're cooked.
don't have another one!
I'm sorry, but you're cooked. If you respawn, your items are dead. Look, I'm gonna die too.
Whatever, I have another one! And you just said you don't have another.
Where are you? Hi.
Dude,
You're so stupid, bro.
Oh my god, can I have one?
Dude, this
No.
kid had such valuable stuff.
He has more. Jordan, what's in the flashlight backpacks?
I don't know.
Guys, 6 more days to my birthday! Hey, you're jealous, because I'm gonna fight this thing. Shut that goofy music up!
And I also have a duplicated quiver. And the arrows are also duplicated. Look, the arrows are also duplicated.
Take one, oh.
I have some? I have those?
No, because then he's gonna call you racist. Also,
Yeah.
can you
What do
set
I
that
do?
thing up? Hold up.
No.
Fine, I'll go find it myself. I'll go get one myself.
What's he getting?
Jordan, let's go.
Wait, Dan, wait. Bro, you can come.
Oh, I'm sorry, I accidentally pressed the button.
Doesn't matter.
Red, can black. Alright, guys, now we're here. Yeah. You're gonna want to go in one of these buggies, but I'm gonna.
Where did you put us? We're at the moon, bro.
Where's my camera?
Wait,
Ah!
is this
Help! Help!
Wait, the moon
Drive! Drive!
The moon buggies are way more better. Look at. I can do a wheelie.
Wheelie! Come here.
Found it.
Alright, guys, so you want you go if you see my camera.
I found it.
Jordan, I don't care. If you want the little thing, you're gonna want to go where over here, and they don't respawn unfortunately, but just go in different lobbies if your friend takes it. Also, you can duplicate it. And where you just go, you see this ramp right here?
Guys,
Then-
look at.
Guys, goodbye. Wait, the moon landing was fake. It was fake all this time.
Dude, stop acting like you Chubby Snail. Dude,
What is
stop
it,
acting
Chubby
like you Chubby Snail. You are not Chubby Snail, Daniel.
Who's Chubby Snail? I'm totally not in the rocket. am inside a tree.
Space, guys. Guys, let's all go back to space.
Drew, what do you mean I'm inside the tree? I'm inside the pot. Near the spaceship.
Hi.
Hi.
Dude, come to the spaceship, bro.
I've been
Come
here.
to the spaceship. Let's just leave without him.
Jordan, I've been here.
No, you haven't.
Wait!
Wait.
Come on!
Guys, get in.
No!
Dude!
Mommy!
Why? Why do you have to be so
I'm gonna record-
mean, bro?
Guys,
What
want
did
to
he
record a
do to you?
movie? Want to record a movie?
I actually have low gravity. Look. I actually have low gravity.
Guys, who wants to create a movie?
Guys, how do we get these rovers back to the hometown?
Oh no.
We can't. We just gotta like.
You gotta do the laser.
Yeah, you gotta do the little shredder thing. Crowbar. Well, not crowbars. Crossbows and drills. Mostly work. Weapons.
Daniel,
Yeah,
why'd you come back?
obvious reasons. You tell me.
Wait, how do we get those things?
Bro, the weight of 4 crossbows is the weight of 2 lances.
How do we get
Why
those
don't we
things
just
back
get
to
2
space?
lances?
How do we get those things from space here?
You're just gonna wanna feed the little shredder.
Look. Do you wanna see me go to the first dam?
What?
Do you wanna see me go to the first dam?
No? Oh! That's a boring stuff. The heck you mean? No, because we're too busy sucking balls. I mean, what?
I'm right here.
Yeah, but you're gonna...
Bro.
Jordan! You're coming back? Jordan, you're coming back? Oh, come here.
Who
Come here.
the line?
Right.
Someone deleted the zip line.
Stop! Man, there's no PvP. I deleted it with this special gun I have. Who wants to be harmed with a legal body arm? Me! Alright, come here.
You come here.
Actually, hold up. This needs to be a PvP lobby. Friendly fire is on. Kinetic. Yeah, Black, come here. You wanna be harmed with a legal body arm?
Nope. I'll make you stinky.
Please, please, Bobby. Yeah?
Nope.
Kill him!
How? I'm rezzing him.
Yay!
Dude, you're the one who wanted to kill me in the first.
You're the one who wanted to kill me in the first place.
Mwah, 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 mwah.
Hey, go to station.
Dude, mother trucker. You're the one who wanted to kill me in the first place.
Wait, go to the station. But I want to see something cool. Want to see something cool?
Go to the station. I have a surprise.
Alright, come here, come here. Come here. Black.
I have a surprise for him.
Come here, come here. No, don't kill me. I got a surprise for you.
Dude, these aren't even
No,
loaded.
this thing can give you like research points, right, Jordan? You
Yeah.
got some, remember? Yeah. But you wasted them. Get out. Step out there. But it only works if you drop all items. So
Yeah.
you should drop all items.
Even this. Let's test with this first.
Y'all both die!
Revive me!
No!
Yes!
I'll revive you. I'll revive you. I'll revive you. I'll revive you.
Alright, Black. So it works if you have no items, so do not have anything, alright? So
one sec.
stay still. Stay still.
Second
Come here.
one.
It needs to be out of safe zone. I heard this like gives you research points and nuts. John, we did him real good. It's a funny thing we do with our friends. Ha! You missed! Let me just eat my emery. Wait, so we have a battle of which is better, this arrow, bomb arrow, or the other ammo? No. Let's have a battle! Come on, let's go! Wait, we need quivers, we need quivers. We need quivers. I'm gonna have it locked, so they don't need to buy me a quiver. No. Fine. Come on, where are you? Hold up! I'm going somewhere. Jordan, I'm in the yellow light thing near the shredder. Yellow light thing near the shredder. Please help me. The yellow light thing near the shredder!
Oh, you're inside?
Yeah. Tell me if you see me.
I don't see you.
You don't see me?
I'm coming in to kill you so you can get out.
I shouldn't know. George.
Where are you? We have to kill each other.
Nuh-uh. Shut up, you ugly monkey! A copper cooks.
I died. I died from the water, stupid.
But I still killed you.
No, you didn't.
No, because the radius. It shoots you. No! Also,